I got this 4K microscope camera with zoom lens and light. This camera can stream 4K 60 fps via HDMI on TV or monitor. It can also record video and make photos to SD card. On PC via USB cable you can record only 1080p. It can be used in unusual orientations, focus distance almost 10 centimeters. Camera comes with remote control to make photo, record video, 7x digital zoom and other settings. It allows to make nice footage for this strawberry. Mold on this peach looks like crystals. Arduino board, iPhone screen, onion cells, I wanted to try it with classic microscope. I created adapter for microscope. This microscope with 4 changeable objectives can make even more magnification. Onion cells are even bigger and bigger. It is completely different level, you cannot see text anymore. And finally, 3D printed adapter ring for telescope. Time to prepare telescope for the night. It is not enough power to see clear Jupiter moons, but Jupiter after some adjustments.